Hey yo, it's the one, the only Coach FLO. And if you are stopping by the channel for the first time, I appreciate you. Appreciate you taking the time out, checking out this channel. And so we want to jump right on into how the countdown is upon us. What countdown, Coach Flo? The Bitcoin halving. Yes, the Bitcoin halving. We've been waiting. We've been waiting months and months, and this month, a few weeks from now, and analysts is predicting the next 16, 17 days that Bitcoin happening will finally set the crypto world and space on fire. Yes, it's going to set it on fire because at the time it's recording, Bitcoin is sitting at 65,575. All right, 65,570. All right, so it is at a resistance line at 71 to 72,000. About a week ago, it shot up to about 73, but since then it pulled back. It didn't pull back, and this no different than stocks. Just like I always say, I'm not your financial advisor for you to buy, hold, or sell. I'm just telling you, I think everyone should have some piece of Bitcoin, and that's why I continue dollar cost average into Bitcoin, because when Bitcoin goes, all these other coins I'm going to talk about in this particular episode, it carries the whole crypto world, because Bitcoin is the first coin that started everything. And so just getting ready for that Bitcoin happening every 4 years, and this is the 4-year cycle. The last 4-year cycle was in 2020, when at the time of the halving happened and entering into the bull run, it shot up 69,000. So we already have passed the all-time high previously set, and now we are going even higher. Why? Because the ETFs that got passed in January and the inflow of capital, aka money, that is being pushed into the crypto space. Okay, so there's so many different ETFs that, especially the big dogs like BlackRock and Fidelity, all those companies have tapped into Bitcoin, and now the price will go. They're predicting that once the halving happened, that Bitcoin could go to 83,000, between 83,000 and 90,000. And we're not even talking about the bull market, the bull run. We're just talking about just after the halving. Okay, typically after the halving, the price goes parabolic, okay, and it shoots up. And so that's something to keep on your watch list, okay. In other news, Coinbase, the court case, that's also have been affecting the crypto space, and so they trying to get situated with what's a security and what's not a security, and so Coinbase that dealing with those issues. But on the other side, scam, or aka Sam, Bankman fraud, got 25 years. All right, 25 years for all these different scams that happened back in FTX, and that was another thing that made the crypto kind of move up. All right, so typically crypto, just like stocks, when you get good news, crypto shoots up. It just shoots up higher at a higher percentage. All right, at a higher rate too. All right, moving on to, of course, you already know how I feel about Ethereum. At the time of recording, it's 32,000, between 3,200 and 3,300. It's been going back and forth. Okay, it's been going back and forth, and so of course I'm still waiting to see if there will be next month, per se, at the end of May, possible ETF. Some analysts are saying it could still get approved. Some say it couldn't, or it can't, I should say. We just gotta wait and see. But I'm definitely long term on Ethereum, just like I am in Bitcoin. Okay, definitely looking to continue to dollar cost average. Looking to dollar cost average into Ethereum, just like Bitcoin, because I feel like everyone should have some Ethereum, just like Bitcoin. Those are the two big dogs. All right, and so moving on to Solana. All right, Solana sitting at the time of recording 182. All right, 182 around last weekend. It shot to 202, highest about 203, and since then it's been pulled back. Okay, just like the rest of these coins. Okay, but definitely I am bullish on Solana and look to trade it once it enter the bull run. Okay, so definitely Solana is projected to do well in the latter part of this year. As we enter into the second quarter of this year, watch crypto really start moving, especially after that happened. So Solana. And so as I go into these memes, okay, some of these memes I do have, and some of these meme coins I just continue to just read about. Okay, and you might have some of these meme coins. Okay, so just drop comment below and tell me what meme coins you have. Do you have some Bitcoin? Do you have some Ethereum? Okay, just drop some comments, and I definitely want to see what you are holding in your portfolio, what you are holding in your wallet. Okay, so the first one, Dogecoin. All right, time is recording sitting at 17 cents, and so we already know Elon runs Dogecoin. All right, so if he says some good news, Doge typically goes up. If he says something that is questionable, Doge typically goes down. Okay, so if you have some Doge, shout out to you. That is a coin that I had, but I converted. Okay, I converted it to a different coin. Definitely wasn't too bullish on Doge. All right, so for those you have it, definitely just, I would say I wouldn't put all my eggs in one basket. I would continue the dollar cost average, and I actually would probably swing it. All right, these memes that I have, I'm definitely planning on swinging them. All right, so speaking of the next meme, looking at Shiba. All right, Shiba, that's sitting at 4 zeros, 25.83. All right, definitely Shiba has some of those. I converted it, but definitely want to get a little bit of sheep. All right, so get some sheep and to add to my portfolio. And the one I'm bullish on, the meme, is Bonk. All right, Bonk is 4 zeros, 22.07 at the time of recording. Why I'm bullish on Bonk? Because it is tied to Solana network. Okay, so when Solana goes up, watch Bonk goes up. All right, Bonk, I believe that it's going to be like the next sheep. Okay, in the next cycle, as we enter the bull market in a bull run, I believe Boink is definitely going to be the leading catalyst. So I'm going to continue the dollar cost average of Boink because I'm going to swing trade that. Okay, and rinse and repeat, just rinse and repeat. And then Undo. All right, Undo. For those who know Undo Finance, I got this one from Keenan Grace. Shout out to Keenan Grace. That's that guy who been doing it, hey, since 2019. All right, definitely love to meet Keenan Grace one day. All right, at the time of recording, it's sitting at 78 cents. All right, and I just want to just add a little in Undo Finance. I think between Bonk and Undo Finance, I believe as we enter the new bull run and we get to the bull market, these new coins going to really outdo the old ones. All right, so the ones like the Doge and all the sheeps, I feel like the Boink, those are the ones that's going to be the new wave. So you want to get on the next train. Okay, get on the next wave of coins and not be stuck on the old cycle, because they always says just old results or past results don't determine future results. Okay, so just something to kind of think about as you are investing into these memes. All right, moving on to the last one, Pepe. All right, got a little bit of that. That's 4 zeros at times recording, 4 zeros and 670. All right, this one right here is tied to the Ethereum blockchain. This one is going to do well as well. Because why? Because it's connected to Ethereum. Just like Boink is connected to Solana, Pepe is connected to Ethereum. And then Floki, for those who got Floki, that's also connected to Ethereum. So I would say, just a word to the wise, don't invest more than you can lose. Okay, so I wouldn't take any loans out. I would be careful with scammers because there are so many scammers out here. There's other different types of wallets, and these, you can't really trust these crypto exchanges because look at FTX, look at Voyager, they went down. Okay, so you really have to be careful how you're investing in crypto because you can make a lot of money and definitely life-changing money, but you can lose a lot of money too if you do not know what you're doing. So I definitely encourage those who are in the crypto space, do your homework. Okay, do your homework, continue to research, look at coins that has good backing, look at coins that has good developing, good projects, because the ones that's going to do well in the next bull cycle, the next bull run, those are the ones that's going to make us a lot of money. And I want you to make money too, just like I'm going to make money. All right, life-changing money. So you have enjoyed this episode, hit this thumbs up, hit the like. Hey, drop some comments and let me know, what crypto do you hold? What crypto are you excited about? What crypto are you looking forward to in this next bull cycle? And I'm definitely going to check it out and just continue to be great. Like I always say, don't let no one tell you what you can't or can't do, because it can happen through who? You. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.